Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a toy review of a 54 piece mini puzzle from Laceys, and it's Peyo the Smurfs. You can see this is the box, and this is from 2016 to 2017. You can see you get this beautiful puzzle. I've built it off camera. And in this puzzle we have Smurfs' house with all the Smurfs around Smurfs' house. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos if toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships. My contact info is in a link in the description box below, or if they would like, I would gladly put my contact number in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.